friends, Dr. Poonam Sambhaji here from North Goa, Porvorim, and I'm a child and newborn specialist. Let's talk about screen time, the episode 2 of the playlist Screen Time. Now, in today's episode, I will be talking for how long my child can use screen or what is the screen time according to their age. And in my previous video, which I'm listing here in the I button, I have already spoken about what is screen time and what are the side effects of screen time. You've not seen, go hit that button. Okay, now let's see how long my child can see the screen, and for this we are going to divide the children into age groups. So three age group slabs we are going to have. First is children below 2 years of age, second is 2 years to 5 years of age, and the third is above 5 years till adolescent. Okay, now below 2 years of age, we know that the brain growth is the best and the fastest during this time, so it is best not to have any screen time, maybe except for some video call with a very close family member. Like sometimes, one of the parent is staying abroad for work purpose, or maybe the parents are staying separate for whatever reasons, for work purpose or whatever reasons, and for the child to have a contact with the other parent, okay, either the mother or the father who is distant from the child for whatever reasons, okay, we may have to use a video call so that the child is in connect with the person, okay, or maybe video call with the grandparents, okay. That screen time may be allowed in a child, but above that, no screen time. We find many times that when the child reaches 6 months of age and the child is eating food from outside, because the child doesn't accept the food, multiple parents end up putting the babies on mobiles, stating that, oh, when he sees mobile he eats food. Okay, that's not the right reason for starting the mobile, or that's not at all the reason to start the mobile. Okay, we were small, there was no mobile that time, but still we ended up eating, right? When you start first food for the baby or the complementary feeding for the baby at 6 months of age, remember it's a new taste for the baby, so they may not accept, okay. But when you give mobile or when you give some screen time, they are getting diverted. They have absolutely no interest in that food. They're just eating it because there is something coming in front of their mouth, okay. So that is first thing. Below 2 years, no screen time. Now between 2 years to 5 years of age, max to max 1 hour of screen time, that too as less as possible. You can decrease it, okay. Now why is this screen time during this time? Because this is the preschool year, okay. The children are going to school, and nowadays because of the COVID pandemic, children are on the online program, so because of that they can be to see the nursery rhymes, but not more than 1 hour. I would recommend rather put some voice this thing, music, like maybe put on a tape recorder, which are the old, okay, put on some mp3 music which the child can listen and dance upon, rather than showing them characters, okay. Show them things like in the book, some characters in the book, or some characters around around even in the house, like maybe some cartoon characters which are there in your games, okay. Those are more welcome than screen time in a hand. We have even had children getting their gift as third birthday, fourth birthday gift as a mobile, which is not at all a good gift, okay. I mean, you are spoiling the child. Now coming to children who are more than 5 years till adolescent, here the screen time is allowed, especially because of the studies, but there has to be a balance between the screen time, okay. Now what is called a balanced screen time? Here we are requiring a screen time for the education, so many other things, especially when the child reaches around 7th 8th standard. So many other extracurricular classes are starting, or not extracurricular, study classes or the extra classes are starting, that the child may need a screen time for studies. Now here we have to have a balanced screen time. Now what is meant by balanced screen time? That is, the screen time has to be balanced with 6 more things, okay. So the screen time should not replace any of these 6 things which I am going to talk now, okay. One thing is the physical play time, which should be at least 1 hour in a day, okay. So screen time should never replace this 1 hour. You may find that children are going in the garden, and instead of playing with the other children in the garden, they are sitting with the mobile. Each child is sitting with the mobile and, oh, see this game, see that game, I got this much score. No, that is wrong. Okay. Second thing is the sleep time of the baby. The sleep time of the baby should never be interrupted. It should be minimum between the age of 5 to 5 years till adolescent. It should be around 8 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep time. So it should not be that the child is seeing mobile or screen late in the night and then getting up very late in the morning, or getting up early in the morning, because nowadays online schools are going on, so they have to get up in the morning. Okay, now since I'm making this video during the COVID time, I'm talking about the online education. Maybe tomorrow when you see this video post COVID time, hope it comes soon. Okay, still this may hold true. Okay, the third thing is that it should not affect their meal time, that is giving their mobile during the meal time so that they eat food or so that they eat more food. No, it's a wrong habit. Do not give them mobile during the meal time, as well as you yourself do not use a mobile during the meal time. The fourth thing is the child has to have socialization with other children. Okay, so they cannot be having mobile in their hand when they are talking to other children, which we see in many parties. When you go or get-togethers, children will be sitting with the mobile, as I give the example of the children sitting with the mobile even in the gardens. Okay, school homework should not be displaced by the child for the need of this mobile. Okay, so the school homework has to be done like the school homework, as well as the hobbies of the child has to be, they have to give time, special time for their hobbies, like hobby of coloring, whatever they want to do. Okay, hobbies. Okay, and the last one is not the last one, the important one is the family time. The child's family time should not be affected with the screen time. At the same time, child should not be seeing all the people in the family sitting with their own mobile in each corner and in their own world. No. Okay, there should be interaction between the family, between the family and the child, within the family, and the child should see that there is interaction. This is the social interaction that the child is seeing. So in a nutshell, if you see that the child below 2 years, there should be no screen time except for occasional video call to the immediate relatives. 2 to 5 years, maybe max to max 1 hour, and 5 years till adolescent, there should be a balanced screen time. Okay, to see the playlist of screen time, please hit the I button somewhere here. I will put it over here. Okay, so that you have the list of all the other screen time videos that I'm making. I have made 2 by now. That is when I'm making this video. This is the second episode, and I would be making more as the time passes by. Do follow me on Dr. Poonam's Vlog on YouTube channel, and on my Instagram and Facebook handle also, which is the same name, Dr. Poonam's Vlog. Different videos are made on different channels of mine, as well as there's a description section. Hit the buttons whichever you like there are links for sending video ideas to me wherein you want some video ideas, as well as there is a link for the teleconsultation, because many of you ask me for teleconsultation. There is a link. Do open it, fill in the blanks or fill in the columns properly and duly, and send it across to me so that we can connect with you. See you. Bye bye.